Hello students, welcome to another day of class. Today is Monday, July 27, 2020. And in our math class today we are going to work with the multiplication table of number 4. So please go to page 41 in your books of math. Math book, page 41, please. Okay, that's good. What you're going to do today in your math class, first you're going to write today's date in your notebook, please. After you finish to copy the date, don't forget today is Monday, July 27, 2020. Write in your notebook the date. Then you're going to copy the multiplication table of 4. The multiplication table of 4. You're going to copy in your notebook. 4 times 1 equal 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. 4 times 3 equal 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equal 20. 4 times 6 equal 24. 4 times 7 equal 28. 4 times 8 equal 32. 4 times 9 equal 36. 4 times 10 equal 40. So you're going to copy in your notebook the multiplication table of 4. And at home, you're going to repeat verbally, not written. Just verbally the multiplication table of 4 3 times. You're going to repeat 3 times, repeating the table. You're going to repeat verbally, in a verbally way. Then, after you finish with that, you're going to work in book page 41 of your book. Page 41 of your book. This one. Page 41. So, the instruction says, the title is 4 as a factor. The instruction says, 5 groups of golden tortoise beetles. 4 beetles in each group. 20 beetles in all. So it's like if I say we have 5 leaves, you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have groups of 4 in each one of the leaves. Count the beetles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have groups of 4s in each one of them. So, the result is going to be 20. This one. 20 is the result. 4. We are going to multiply 4 times 5. 4 times 5. Then, here you have, in the book, you have this group of beetles. And you're going to use it to count. So, you're going to work in exercise number 1 of your book. Just exercise number 1. For example, 4 times 3. How much is it? We are going to count. It's like if I say 3 groups of beetles with 4 beetles. Es como decir que tengo 3 grupos de mariquitas con 4 mariquitas en cada uno de los grupos. 3, look, 4 times 3. So, we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Entonces, en 3 grupitos de 4 mariquitas, how much do I have? 12. Very good. 12. So the result is 12. Please exercise number 1. Just exercise number 1 of page 41. See you until next class.